Kids, let's learn how to use what, where and when. Welcome to Manushri and Malla tutorial. Sentences with what. What are these?
These are my birthday gifts. These are my birthday gifts.
What are you waiting for?
I am waiting for my brother to arrive. I am waiting for my brother to arrive.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple. My favorite color is purple.
Sentences with where. Where are you going?
I am going to the market. I am going to the market.
Where is the nearest playground?
It is 10 minutes far away. It is 10 minutes far away.
Where is the party?
The party is at my house. The party is at my house.
Sentences with when. When do you play?
I play after the school. I play after the school.
When are you free?
I am free in the evening. I am free in the evening.
When are you going home?
I will go home on Thursday. I will go home on Thursday.
Follow for more videos.
Please like, share and subscribe.